My role is critical when it comes to making sure that the customers get their equipment out on time. My name is Amy Horne and I am a production planning specialist. My current role is hands-on here in the workshop. I look after all the pre-deliveries. Within my role, our customers have a lot of requirements and with that come a lot of challenges. It is critical that we have everything organised and planned to deliver to our customer. My previous backgrounds in Sandvik have been in exploration, crushing and screening. Starting this role was really new and exciting and got to be more involved with big underground equipment. Every day is a different day and we work with a lot of different divisions in Sandvik. I work very closely with the key account managers. They are our direct contact when it comes to advising us what their customers want and what their customers need. The future excites me because there's just a lot of opportunities within Sandvik. There's always an open door, there's always a different avenue you can go to work in. Being in the company for nearly 15 years, people ask, why do you stay? What's so good about Sandvik? And it truly is the people. It's the people and the culture that we all create.